Then one more. Inhale, lengthen. Sitting taller. So parang hindi yung upper body nyo. And then exhale to your mouth. One more. Inhale, taller. And then exhale to your mouth. Now I want you to bring your arms right in front. Inhale. Sige, sige, go. Ano? Kuha ka ng mat na silver, dalawa. Okay. So I want you to bring your arms right in. Yan. As you inhale, tapos kuha ka ng blue mat. Inhale, extend your arms. Dito ka na sa gitna. And then exhale. Dito ka na sa medyo. Kasi mahirapan ka eh. Yan. Dito kayo. Kasi yung kailangan kasi may space ang pilates. Kasi may mga tumataas yung legs, mahirapan kayo dyan. The arms here. Inhale, sitting tall. Yan. Diyan kayo siguro kayo gitna. Diyan kayo. Dito si middle. Yan. Gusto ka sa likuran niya. And then exhale, squeeze the legs together. One more. Inhale, extend, sitting taller. And then exhale, squeeze the legs together. Very good. Inhale, extend your arms, sitting tall. Yes. Yan na, ilalim yung kamay niyo. And then exhale, squeeze. Walang kamay, but may dalawa kayong bone dito sa likod. So yun yung mag-open. Again, inhale, sitting tall. And then exhale, squeeze the legs together. Kailangan mo pa rin silver.
Ay, kailangan.
Yeah. Inhale, sit kasi matigas yung flooring. And then exhale, squeeze forward ka pa ng computer. Yan. One more inhale, sit tall. And then exhale, squeeze the legs. Last time, inhale, sitting tall. Bring it up. Circle the arms to the side. Bring it in. And then exhale, do it slowly. Up and lift. Circle the arms. Bring it out. And then exhale, slowly. Imagine yung kamay nyo parang hinihila pa taas. Hinihila pa side. And then exhale. This time through the reverse. It goes backward. Open your chest. Bring it up, sitting tall. And then down to the front. One more. We go out. We go in. Go sitting tall, and then exhale. Last time, outward, bring it in. Tapos mag-hold tayo dito, okay? This is very important to Pilates. I want you to sit tall, like this. Kasi lagi natin itong gagawin, sitting tall. As you exhale to your mouth, wala na, exhale, to the mouth. As you exhale, I want you to push the belly in. Ipasok yung chan nyo. Yes. Pag-feel nyo rito sa likuran nyo, parang nagkaroon ng relief. Yes, mga hawak yung arms kasama yan. Inhale, sit tall. Yes. And then exhale, squeeze the belly in. Yan. Kasi yung arms natin, usually, puro tayo lifting eh. Itong position na to, ito yung bihira natin ginagawa, kaya nangangalay tayo. Exhale, squeeze the belly. Itasok nyo pa yung chan mo. Very good. Inhale, sit tall. And then exhale, squeeze the belly. This time, I want you to inhale, sit tall. I want you to lean back on the exhale. Masyadong bababa, parang kumahulog. And then bring your arms to the side, exhale. Ibalik sa gitna, inhale. Now left arm, exhale. Inhale back to the center. And then I want you to sit tall again. Very good. I want you to hinge back. Exhale, yes. Inhale again to the side. And then up, exhale. This time, bring it aside, and then exhale, and then bring it up. Very good. One last time, hinge back. Actually, got that. Arms right, balik sa gitna. Arms left, balik sa gitna. Sitting tall, and then bring the hands down. How was the arms? Parang uminit dito, di ba? Okay. Those are the muscle needed for your movement. Okay, kaya muna ko muna kasi kung hindi natin ginawa yun, mas masakit yung feeling naman sa arms. Now, so tapos na tayo din sa arms, dito naman tayo sa legs. Okay? And since na-workout na natin yung arms for the engine, let's do this. Ito ha, hindi kailangan mataas. Kasi pag sobrang taas ng legs nyo, ang tendency is nag-lean back kayo. Eh, tapos na tayo doon. So, maintain the sitting tall. Okay? Sitting tall tayo ha. Kahit galawin yung legs nyo, kahit sa siya mapunta, maintain this posture. Okay? Inhale, lift the right leg up, very point, hindi kailangan mataas. As you exhale, I want you to move your legs to the side and flex it if you can. Now, balik sa gitna without leaning back, and then lower the legs down. Very good. Let's do it again on the left. Yes, up and lift. Side out and flex. balik sa gitna. And then lower it down. One more. Up and lift. Kumusta yung legs? Outward. O nakapasandal kayo. Bring it in together. And then down. Again, on the left side. Up and lift yung pala. Side out. Iwasan yung sandal. Bring it in. And then down. Last time on the right side. Up and lift. Side out. Center in. And then down. Last time. Up and lift. Side out. Center in. And then down. How was it? Masakit. Okay, now I want you to lie down on your mat. Okay. Make sure yung ulo nyo tatama doon sa makamal na mat na habang gusto mo niya. Kasi kaya yung ulo nyo. Okay. So I want you to put your hands on the side of the hip. Bend your legs if you want. Pwede rin nakadiretsyo. Okay, pero mas mapipili nyo kasi pag nakabend. Okay? So, sakit sa mata. Okay, I want you to put your hands downward. Ipupush yung kamay nyo pababa para yung shoulders nyo magko-contract yan. Okay? So, we are on a neutral spine. So, I want you to do the Pilates apron. Na-discuss ko kanina. Lengthen the arms on the inhale. So, I want you to exhale. Ipupush nyo yung tiyan nyo pababa. Yung belly. Yung pusod. Now, inhale back to neutral spine. Okay. Can you raise your right arm, right leg? Okay. Kapag ikindikid niya rito sa baba, ma-feel yung arch, diba? Ayan na siya. So, yung arch niya yung mawawala yun. So, again, no, on the side. So, aayos natin yung 2 exhale, okay? So, lengthen the spine. Neutral spine yan. Exhale, ibaba niyo ulit yung ano nyo, belly. Yes, lower back. Inhale, back to neutral. Very good. Mga chimichimikot. Or yung chan. Again, exhale, push the belly in. Sumidrop ng pelvis, umangat. And then inhale, back to neutral. Again, push the belly in. Sumasakit ang likod. This is the best exercise. And then back to neutral. Inhale. Again, exhale in. And then inhale, back to neutral. Last time, exhale. And then inhale, back to neutral. And then last time, we say exhale. Taas yung legs. Bring the arms up. Tapos tingin kayo sa singit ninyo. We will do 100. Papumpin nito na yun dito ha. Do it now go. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. Tingin sa singit ha. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. Hold it there. Now, if you can lift your head higher, and then I will bring in the left leg. Hawakan yung left niya. Extend nyo dito papunta sa inyo. Now, extend the right leg as you push in the left. Switch, exhale. Just move the legs, ha? Switch, exhale again. Pag sumasakit ang neck, di ba ba yung ulo? Switch, exhale like this. Okay. Switch, exhale. But this is more safer kung nakatouch yung neck. Switch, exhale. Switch, exhale. Para huwag sumakit yung likod. Switch, exhale again. Switch, exhale. Switch, exhale again. Switch, exhale. Switch, exhale. One more switch, exhale. One last switch, exhale. Now both legs together. Baba yung head. And I want you to put your hands on the side of the legs. Ito ha. Now, as you open out, open the arms and legs and then extend. If you circle yung arms to the side on the inhale, angat kayo, tapos i-crush yung legs in upper body. Very good. Now, extend the arms and legs, keep the head down. Slowly circle the arms again on the inhale, tapos i-crush kayo sa exhale. Up. Outward again, inhale. And then exhale, circle in, tapos exhale ulit. Again, outward. Circle the arms, bring it in, and then exhale. Perfect. Outward again. Circle the arms, bring it in, exhale. Last time outward, circle in, and then exhale. How was it? No, sa asana. Arms on the side, this way, head down. How are you? Leg circle tayo ha. Both legs up. Ito ha. The higher the legs, the easier to maneuver. So huwag masyadong ibaba yung legs ha. Ang gagawin nyo lang, lower the legs konti, and then circle up for 1. Ganun ha. Lower both legs, circle out for 2. Perfect. Take that ha. Lower the legs, inhale, exhale out for 3. Lower both legs, circle out for 4. Puno ko yung video. Lower both legs, circle out for 5. Lower both legs, circle out for 6. Lower both legs, circle out for 7. Last time, lower, circle out for 8. Now, this time, nag-beat sa taas ha. I-reverse natin. Circle out, mag-beat sa baba, and then lift the legs up for 1. Very good. Lower the legs, circle out for 2. Circle out, bring it in, back for 3. Very good. Circle out, bring it in, and then up for 4. Circle out, bring it in, up for 5. Lower it down, circle out for 6. One more time, circle out, in for 7. And then last time, circle out, bring it in, and 8. Stay there. And then from there, yan lang ha. Okay, nasa taas tayo. Gagawin nyo. I want you to lower this leg down. Ito lang ha. And then up. Lower, exhale. Inhale up. You can lift your head if you want. Lower. And then up. Pwede kita siya ulo ha. Lower down. Masyadong mababa. Good. That's 3. Lower. Up for 4. Pwede i-flex pababa. And then point pataas. Very good. Lower down. Flex. And point pataas. Last time lower. And then pataas. Hug your legs. How was it? Hug yung legs niya ba? How are you? How are you feeling now? Masakit. 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 Very good. Kasi pang-abs yan. Okay, next. I hope you get your video ha. Ibibigay sa harap kasi para ano rin, makikita niyo yung improvement niyo. Okay? Kasi that's your demarcation. Kasi pag makikita, ginawa ko pala to. And then eventually, pag wala naman ako, you can do it your own. Diba? At you have your file sa phone niyo. Okay. Hug your legs like this. I want you to do this. I want you to swing to the side. Yan. Para maano yung likod niya. Kasi pagod siya eh. Okay, next. I want you to bring your legs out like this. I want you to put your hands on the back of your head. And then I want you to curl up. Now, I want you to open the elbows like this. Okay, ito gagawin nyo ha. Huwag masyadong ibaba yung legs. Kasi mas mahirap talaga siya. I want you to twist towards your left side as extending right foot pataas. Now, you need to switch to exhale like this. Twist, exhale. Twist, exhale. Twist, exhale. Tingin sa kabila. Twist, exhale. Look to your right side. Twist to your left side. Twist to your right side. Come on. Twist to the left. Exhale, twist. Exhale, twist. Very good. Exhale, twist. Another one. Exhale, twist. Give me more. Exhale, twist. Exhale, twist. Another one. Exhale, twist. One last exhale, twist. And then last right. Exhale, twist. And then hug your legs. How are you? Kumusta? Okay, next. Now, I want you to extend the legs. Diretso ang legs. Yung kamay above the head. Okay. So, diretso lang ha. Tama. Okay. So, yan ha. Diretso yung arms. Diretso yung legs. I want you to lift your hands up to the ceiling. Yan. As you exhale, I want you to roll up, backward, all the way up. Come on. Very good. I want you to extend your arms. Yung kamay nyo above the toes sa ganito. Head down. More. I-push mo yung kamay mo pamunta sa harap. Very good. Stay there. Now, I want you to go back to your sitting I want you to scoop the belly, roll the spine sa floor. Gamitin yung legs nyo para kumakat yung legs nyo. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Down, 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 down. And release. Very good. It's good. Inhale with the hands up. And then exhale, curl up. Sige. Okay yan. Ganito yung mga sa legs mo. Extend. Sige pa, extend ka. Forward ka. Yung kamay mo on top of your toes this way. Dito, dito, on top, on top. Yan, okay. Ipulo pa yung katawan mo. I think you need to drop the head. Tingin ka sa legs mo. Very good. Now, inhale. Dito sa taas, dito sa taas. Very good. Tingin na. Now, inhale. Sit tall. Yan, dito sa spine. Exhale, scoop the belly. Tapos bumaba sa floor. Exhale, exhale. And release. Very good. Let's do it again. Inhale with the hands up. And then exhale all the way on top. Very good. As far as you can do, atake mo siya. Atake ang pata. Sa taas ha. Yan, reach around your abdominals. Now inhale, sit tall again. Back into the spine. And then scoop the belly. Roll it back. Exhale, exhale. And then release. Perfect. Let's do it again. Inhale with the hands up. And then slowly curl up all the way on top. As far as you can. Come on, very good. Now inhale, sit tall. And then exhale, halfway roll lang. Half lang ha, bababa, masyado. Inhale up again, exhale forward as far as you can. Put mo pa siya, very good. And then inhale, sit tall. Spine stretch forward, scoop the belly, half lang tayo. And then inhale up again, and then move forward as far as you can. Come on, very good. And then inhale, sit tall, halfway roll. And then inhale up and lift. Exhale forward as far as you can. Come on, I know you can do it. And then inhale, sit tall. Halfway roll back. Inhale, sit tall. All the way as far as you can. And then inhale, sit tall. And then exhale all the way down to the floor. Slowly, slowly. How was it? Good. Yan, relief sa likod yan. Hindi pa tayo ako sa relief. Okay, ito ha. Itong exercise na to, hindi matako. Okay? Because this will help you, tawag doon, release the lumbar tension. Ito siya. Dito yung kamay. Inhale, up and lift. Exhale. Dito siya. Now, kung hindi kayo confident, hawakan niyo dito yung likod nyo. Para may membrane siya. Okay? Yes and yes? Okay, let's do it. Huwag mo tayo matakot. Okay, arms long. So, okay, when you inhale, both legs up. And then exhale, peel off. Taas yung puwet. Hawakan nyo. Yan. Very good. Hawakan yung puwet niya para ma-maintain. Yes, all the way up, all the way up. Yan, healthy up. Sige, diretso ha. Hindi ka matakot. Kontrain yan. Huwag mo yung legs, ipad mo. Yan ha. Yan, good. Now, inhale. I want you to open your legs. Open the legs. Yan, bukan nyo ha. Bukan nyo. Touch your toes. Touch shoes. Touch shoes. Touch shoes. High-knees yan. And then legs together. Punch your toes. High-knees yan. Very good. Again, exhale. Open the legs. Touch your toes nyo. And then bring your legs together and point your toes. Very good. Exhale. Open. Keep it again. Exhale. Out. Touch your toes. Bring your legs together and point your toes. Perfect. Again, exhale out, open your legs. And then bring your legs together and point your toes. Again, exhale, open the legs. Bring your legs together and point your toes. Last time, exhale out. Legs together and point. Alright, from there, I want you to straighten the legs. Let your legs up. Now from there, I want you to scoop the belly. Slowly roll the spine. Roll the spine slowly, slowly, like this. Yes, very good. Slowly, 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 slowly. One spine at a time. Perfect. Slowly, 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 slowly. Diretso yan ha. Diretso mo. Slowly, slowly. Now release the hand. Release the hand. Okay, para mapapa yung likod. Exhale, 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 release. How was it? And i-document ito. Sinasabi kasi namin ito sa GX experience. So, lalabas kayo sa aming search. Okay, sa parang website. How was it? Na-feel nyo ba yung likod nyo? Hindi, dapat kita. Okay, let's do it again. Inhale, both legs up. Yes, kailangan mo yan kasi good sa nerves mo. And then lift the legs up all the way to the back. Exhale yan, still. Ilagay ko lahat siya. Bigat din mo sa very good. So, I want you to exhale, flex your toes. Siguro direction sa legs mo. Direction siya. Yes, perfect. That's what I did. And then inhale, legs together and punch your toes. Very good. Sige, sige. Direction mo yung legs mo, direction mo. Yan. Exhale out, flex yung toes mo ha. Legs together, punch your toes. Punch your toes pag-in. Very good. Again, exhale out. Really relax sige. Sige, dyan na lang. Open mo lang siya. Exhale out. Flex your toes. Flex. Flexion. Napaka-flexion sila na lang sa beach. Yes. And then inhale, close your legs together. Very good. One more time. Exhale out. Bring your legs together. And then last time, exhale out. Flex your toes. Bring your legs together and point your toes. Okay, from there, direction mo legs. Sige, kahit dyan lang muna kayo sa exhale mo kayo. Direction mo legs. Yan. Release na. Now, I want you to do the spine, the belly. Slowly. Slowly, slowly. Nag-i-inhale niyo ako ha. Sabi na kayo. Okay. Direction legs. Direction siya. Maligas. Now, release na. Slowly. Scoop the belly. All the spine. Slowly, 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 slowly. Sabi ko ulit. Direction, direction, direction. Direction. Now, release na. Make your toes. Flex, flex, flex. Hindi ko point siya. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Direction pa rin yung legs na pupunta lahat ng body dito sa sa puwet. Dito sa ibigay mo sa akin yung body dito sa pa. Kung saan yung nasa kamay, yung kamay ko, ilagay mo dito lahat ng body dito. Flex mo siya. Yan, relax kasi. Slowly, 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 slowly. Yes! How was it? How do you feel now? Masakit hindi?
Masakit.
Ha? Naunat na yun. Naunat. Okay, kasi talagang hindi naka-workout. Sige, wala yung mamaya. Kasi meron tayong mga Tuesday. Last time, meron pa tayo isa. Okay, arms down on the side. Inhale. Both legs up again. And then all the way on top. Go, very good. Now, I want you to open the legs and finish your toes. Open nyo ha. Naka-flat shoes kayo. Imagine yung dalakad kayo sa beach. Bring your legs together and point your toes. Very good. Exhale, open the legs, that's it. Legs together and point, very good. Exhale, open out. Bring your legs together, point your toes. Again, exhale out, flexion mo yung legs here. Feet niya, legs together and point. Now from there, I want you to lengthen the legs. Lengthen the legs, lengthen na. Yan, flex mo na ito. Pag nag-bend yung leg, i-flexion na siya. Now slowly, fix up the legs mo. Yan. Tira mo yung kamay ko sa floor. Now, ilagay mo lang yung body weight sa kamay ko ha. So, ang likod mo, para lang siyang full na walang tension dapat. Slowly. 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 Ito lang siyang bigat sa kamay ko ha. Sige, catch mo yung paa mo. Flex your toes. Nagpo-point ka kay heels. Flat shoes, flat shoes. Sige pa, flat shoes. Yan. Kumarin ka lang ka sa beach. Naka-flat shoes ka. Slowly. Slowly. Okay ha? Body weight, nasa paa. Nasa paa. Slowly, slowly, slowly. And release. Yes. Sige, diretso, diretso, diretso. Diretso legs. Scoop it, scoop it. Scoop it. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Diretso legs, diretso legs. Diretso, 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 diretso. Yes, then naman. Wala na pala dun sa mat naman. Yung ulo mo nasa baba na. Hindi. Pababa ka, pababa. Yan, okay, slowly. Release na, release na, release na. Yan. Pag natin ito, yung grabe, release na yung hand. Kasi para ma-let go yung hips. Slowly. Yes, how was it? How do you feel now? Mahimik. Saan tayo yung meeting? Okay, next. Ito ha. Tatlong option to. Ngayon, kung hanggang saan ang tayo, masakit siya, di ba? Ha? Masakit? Paano yung brain niya? Okay. Kasi akala ko siya, baka mamaya nag-ano. Kasi minsan ka have to ask your regarding spine, baka mamaya nag-ano siya ng yung disc. Kasi yung disc kasi, na ganun yung ano yun eh. Usually pag nagkakaroon ng disc pain, yung yung spine niya, pipikit na gano'n. Napipiti siya. So usually doon nagkakos ng back pain. Kaya natin mo siya baka mabibis na pala yun. Okay, next. Pero paano kayo pag-disc pain kasi pinagigilid yung spine nito eh. Okay, dito tayo. Alright, this is very important. Okay? So there are 3 types of exercise of this. Yung una, dito yung kamay. Itatas yun yung leg nyo ganun. Flex yung toes nyo, and then down. Ayun na, yung first exercise. Magko-concentrate kayo by lifting the legs. Makikita nyo yung atak dito, makikita nyo siya. So dito nyo lang yung kamay nyo, then down. The second one, yung first option ha. Yung first option, manggagaling kayo sa baba. Aangat kayo, and then bababa. So, hatak dito ha. Hindi dito kasi gawa na pag-ganon kayo taas. Para mahatak dito. And the third one will be like this. You'll be coming from here, inhale, and exhale, you go up. And then slowly go down. Mayroong option this. May pang-daya, kung hindi nyo kaya yung direction, ito gagawin nyo. Sa baba, slowly, ilagay nyo ang yung kamay nyo dito. Dito, mag-hold kayo konti, saka ilalagay yung kamay nyo. Saka kayo, from here, and then bababa kayo. Okay? So, kung saan na lang kaya nyo, sa option 1, yung tinaas na yung legs. Option 2, yung upper body ang tumaas. Yung option 3, yung kamay gumanon and then dumiretso. Okay, I just want you to do 8 times. We call this the teaser. Yung option 1 and 2, ang tawag doon teaser prep. Yung tatlo, yung pangatlong ginawa ko na gano'n, yun yung teaser. Full teaser yan, okay? So, one lang. On your own pace, okay? So, lie down kayo or leg up. Or upper body up, and then let's do it. Go. So go up 1, very good, and then lower down, exhale, very good, perfect. That's it. Inhale, per side, and then exhale up, perfect. And then down for 2, very good. Kaya na pala eh. Bring it in, up, down for 3, perfect. Exhale, pababa. Inhale, circle the arms, and then as you go up, you exhale for 4, very good. And then down. Circle the arms, bring it in, up for 5, or legs up, and then down. Again, 2 more times, bring it in, and then down. Last time, up and in, and then up and lift, and then slowly down. How was it? Anong feeling mo man ako full teaser? How's the feeling? Dito, diba? Nawawala siya eh. Nawawala yung back pain, nawawala talaga siya. Kasi matagal siya nawala, bigyan siya ng problema sa spine. Kaya ngayon, parang nag-shock siya kasi yung spine niya nakahata. Ang nangyari sa spine niya, nagkaroon siya ng nerve issues. Usually, pag nerve issues sa spine, kasi sinasabi. Okay ka na? Okay, okay, good. Alright. So yun. Hindi kasi sa Pilates kasi, remember that Pilates is a mindful movement. Tapos, this will help you move all of your muscle, inner muscle. Okay? So we're done with flexion. We will do extension this time. So, may towel kayo dala. Okay, kunin yung towel nyo. Ilagay nyo, dadapa kayo, ilagay nyo sa harapan ng mukha nyo. Kasi baka mamaya, hindi na balisan dito, baka may buhok paggabi. Okay, kaya ipapakala ko ng towel. Kaya ilagay yung towel sa mukha nyo ha. Put it there. Pag-inhale nyo kayo, sumama na yung buhok o kayo maligabo exhale. Kasi mapag-exhale hindi na siya lumabas. Okay, so dapat kayo, because it's the Pilates swimming off the water. Kasi wala naman tubig. Okay. Dito kasi siguro pang-iing ka na. Yan, okay, sa akin. Okay, good. Okay yan. Alright. So, higa kayo. I-diretso yung katawan nyo. Diretso ha. Ito ngayon yung this is the deal. Imagine your legs and arms being pulled away. So, imagine yung kamay na hinihila ng pader na to, yung paa na hinihila ng pader na yun. So, naglalagyan kayo. Okay? So, arms straight. So, huwag nyo angat masyadong head nyo kasi magkaka-stiff na kayo. Ang iaangat yung arms and legs. So I want you to lift your right arm up and then left leg up. Opposite siya na. Right leg, left leg. Okay, good. I want you to switch exhale. Slow muna tayo. Switch exhale. Yung nahihirapan, you can touch the floor. Switch exhale. Pwedeng naka-float, pwedeng naka-touch the floor. Switch exhale. Very good. Switch exhale. Kaya huwag mo siya tumatas para hindi ka nahihirapan. Switch exhale again. Switch exhale. Another one, switch exhale. One more switch exhale. Last one, switch exhale. Now, ibilisan natin yung parang hundreds kanina. Go. Swim 2, 3, 4, 5. Swim 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump na pasa. Swim 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it there. Now, I want you to float your hands and legs off the floor. Yan. Hindi mataas sa. Circle the arms to the side. Bend your legs. Reach your ankle. Yan. Ngayon, ito. Itataas nyo na yung chest ninyo and then legs. Yan. Okay na din. Okay, itataas nyo yan. Pero ang gagawin nyo, itigan nyo yung neck nyo ha, kasi stiff neck yan. Ang gagawin nyo, lengthening. Parang mahaba kayo. Okay? Inhale, lift your chest up, lift the legs up, lengthening ha. Huwag kayong mag-fold sa likod kasi sakit yung lower back nyo. Exhale, lower the body. Again, inhale, up your lift. Yan, ito, lengthen mo siya. And then exhale, lower the body. Perfect, that's what I want. Again, up and lift, inhale, pahabain yung katawan nyo. Parang may tumatangkad. Exhale, lower down. Again, inhale, lift your chest up. Inhale, ito lang ha, konti lang. And then lower down, exhale. Last time, up and lift, inhale. And then exhale, lower the body, release the hands and the legs. How was it? How are you? Hiningal. Okay, ito. Yung kamay nyo, or yung fingers nyo, on the edge, hindi ka dito, nakaganito siya. Dito siya. Ilagay nyo yung sa forehead. Yan. So, nakababa pa rin kayo. What you will need is to lift your chest and legs, yung parang kanina din. Okay, so, yung legs yung diretso. Inhale, lift your chest up, and then legs up. Kasama yung fingers na nakadikit yan sa forehead. Exhale, lower the body. Again, as you go up ha, ilalengthen yung katawan nyo, huwag kayo fold sa likod. Up and lift, inhale, pahabayan ka naman, imagine yung superhero kayo. So you're flying. And then exhale, lower down. This time, I want you to lift again. Now bring your hands to the front. Inhale yan. Diretso ha. And then ibalik sa forehead. And then ibaba yung katawan. Now, let's do it again. Up and lift, lengthen the body. Extend both arms to the front. Ibalik sa forehead. Lower it down. So magdadagdag ako ng movement. Up and lift again. Extend both arms sa harap. And then swing your hands papunta sa hip. Pag ganito. Huwag i-bend yung arms ha. Ibalik sa harap. Exhale yan. Ibalik yung arms sa side. Sa side. Lift your chest a little. And then bring your hips to the front. Lengthen. Again, swing ulit yung kamay sa likod. Papunta sa hips. Kumahaba kayo. And then front. And then ibalik sa forehead. And then lower the body. How was it? Tumatawa kayo. Hindi kasi mo talaga nawala kaya mahirap. Pero madali lang yan. Parang hindi nag-a-agree sa akin. May matingin sa akin. Okay, balik ko lang ha. Alright. Balik ko sa forehead sa nila. Up and lift. Extend the hands to the front. Yes, lengthen yan ang mahaba kayo. Now circle the arms to the side. Papuntang balakang. Yan. And then ibalik ko rin sa harap. Very good. Now to the side. Inhale. And then front again. Mahaba kayo. Again to the side. Very good. Balik sa harap. Now balik sa forehead. And then lower the body. How was it? Ay, hindi nga lang po. Okay, next. Di ba tayo tapos dyan? Okay. Ipat yung kamay nyo dito sa side. Dito ha. So, if you're attending yoga, you call this the cobra. Pero sa Pilates yung tawag dito, swan dive. Kasi magda-dive tayo. Ang gagawin niyo, I want you to lift the body. Hindi kailangan mataas ka. Kasi iba kasi sumasakit ng lower back. And then as you go down, sa exhale, drop, extend the arms like this. And then up and lift, nakakatch yung paa sa floor. Pagbagsak nyo, you lift yung arms niyo pataas, same thing with the legs. Ganun. Okay, let's do it. Up and lift, inhale. And then exhale, I want you to drop. Lift the arms and legs. Very good. Again, up and lift. Lift your chest. Drop in. Very good. Again, squeeze your arms. Lift them up. And then drop into the front. 2 more times again. Up and lift your chest. And then slowly dive. And then last time, up and lift. And then slowly dive. Hold it there. And then release the hand. Very good. Now next, I want you to put your hands here. Ang gagawin nyo, angat yung puwet ninyo. Pagdikitin yung paa. And then I want you to lower your butt papunta ron sa sakong. So na-feel yung stretch. Na-feel nyo. Now, I want you to pull your hands palayo. Yung kamay ninyo papunta ron sa minto. Okay? While your butt or yung puwet nyo pababa sa heel. And then up and lift, yung katawan ulit. I want you to do a push-up like this. Angat ulit, inhale. Baba yung puwet sa heel. Extend your arms as far as it goes. Do the stretch. And then up again. Do another push-up down. And then up and lift. Sink down to your butt. Very good. Again, up and lift. One push-up down. And then up. Down to your heel. Last time up. Another push-up. Up and lift. Another heel. I-open yung tuhod niya, ilayin yung legs niya. Paglayin niyo siya. Paglayin yung legs niya. Kasi para makababa pa kayo, stay here. Now, ang gagawin natin, I want you to inhale. I-push niyo yung kamay niyo palayo habang bumababa yung puwet. So, yung kamay niyo, i-push niyo papunta sa floor palayo para yung puwet niyo makababa pa. Again, inhale, push your hands forward as you push your backward, downward. Again, itulog niyo pa yung kamay niyo palayo para makababa pa yung puwet papuntang sa akong. Again, inhale, push the hands. Exhale down to the heel. Last time, inhale. And then exhale up here. Yan. Okay. I-wide yung kamay mo yan dito. So, bababa sa mat. I-wide ng konti. So, let's do push-ups. Tatlo. Exhale 3. And then up. Exhale 2. And then up. Exhale 1. And then up. Now, I want you to roll back. Papuntang tuhod. 1 and 2 from here. With your tailbone upright away. I-shift yung body weight papunta ron sa sakong nyo. Head down. Pag nahihilo at may vertigo, lift the head up like this. Okay? You stay here. Feel the stretch. Pag-stretch yung legs nyo. Can you do it? Okay, from there, I want you to move through the spine. Pataas. Sitting and standing up. Up. Spine muna, huling-huli yung kamay sa kayo head. Naaangat, all the way up here. Now, I want you to dive to your toes, all the way down here. Very good. And then move forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold. Now, I want you to push up, exhale. And then down 2, and then up, down 3, and then up, crawl back again. 1, keep the stretch up. At shift the weight on the saddle or the heel. So nararamdaman yung stretch ng likod. Yes, ako nararamdaman ko. And then slowly lift the back up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Lengthen up, lengthen. Now dive again with your toes all the way. Exhale yan. Do the stretch. And then get down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold. Give me 4, push up, push up 3. Down 2, down 1, and then up, roll back. 1, 2, tailbone upright away. Stretch your legs, do the stretch on the move back, and slowly move up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito lang tayo, ha? I want you to lengthen the arms. As you push your feet downward on the floor, that's the exhale. So, huwag itataas yung paa nyo ha. Huwag itataas yung sako. Up and lift, tumapat pa kayo. Hilain yung kamay nyo pataas. Don't look up, look straight. So, imagine yung kamay nyo hila pataas. Yung paa nyo pinupush downward. Again, inhale with the hands up. As you exhale, push the feet down. Ibababa yung arms, bumababa yung arms. Tumatanggal kayo ha. Bumabalik kayo sa number 1. Up and left. Number 3 na yan. Push the feet down. Number 4, itaas pa, inch by inch. Push the feet down lower. Number 5, up and lift, inhale. Exhale, push the feet down. Last time, number 6. And then exhale, bring the hands down to the side and release. How was that? Yes and yes? Na-feel nyo ba siya? Feel na feel. Very good. Okay. So next, I want you to do a side lying position. So dito lahat muna dito lang muna lahat ng ulo. Okay? So tayo sa kabila naman yan. Okay, ito yung kamay. Dito lang siya. Yan. Para diretso yung paa natin pareho. Kasi pag opposite pa kung magkasipaan kayo. Okay, this way, yung kamay, put it on the back or on the neck. So ibaba nyo yung ulo yung ganun. Para siyang pelo. Now this leg, it bends here. And then this one is pointed. So hindi kayo nakabagsak na ito, it should be here. Okay? So ito naka-point, naka-flow. And then ito bang yun lang siya. Yan, okay, good. Now, kung siya ganun, baba mo head mo. Ganun mo siya, lagay mo sa neck. Ipilong yung kamay mo. Yes, that's it. Okay? On your toes, up and lift. Legs down forward. Kung hanggang saan lang ha, pag pili nyo parang hindi ka dito, huwag mo siya ng taas. Backward movement. So, narinig pa ako. Up, down for 3. Yes. Up and point, down for 4. Up and lift, down for 5. Yes. Up and lift, down for 6. Then stay up. Holding here. Ito kung saan lang kaya. Okay lang. 8 and 7 and 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I want you to flex this leg. Turn it out. So yung toes na nakatingin sa salamin. So nakatwist yan na. So 8 and 7 and 6 and 5. Yung sa akin tumataas na. Your toes. Hold. Point the toes. Lower it down. Expand toes on the knee. 8 and 7 and 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same leg moves forward. It goes back. Pero yung tingin kami dito para hindi mag-relax. Forward again. Touch your toes. At it goes back pointed. Hindi kasama yung balikat ha. Again, forward. Swing your legs. Because it's the front kicks. It's a Pilates. Okay, forward. Inhale yan. Exhale. Point your toes. One more time. Flex it. And then let's circle in back. Circle 6. Hindi kailangan malaki. Kung hindi kaya. Pero kung kaya, very good. Yes. 3 more times. Exhale. Inhale 2 more times. Slowly. Hindi kasama yun. Hindi kayo suswing yung balikat ha. And then last time, swing it out. And then let's do the reverse now. Circle forward. And then back 1. Swing in. And swing out for 3. Swing out for 4. Swing out for 5. Swing out for 6. How are you? Extend the arms. Elbows to knees like this. Lengthen up 1. Lengthen nyo ha. Squeeze it. Imagine hindi yung kamay nyo sa yung paa nyo palayo. Out for 2. So umaangat dito. Squeeze it in. Out for 3. Very good. Squeeze it in. Out for 4. Squeeze it in. Out for 5. Last time, squeeze it in. Out for 6. Very good. This leg goes downward. Dito. This leg goes outward. Nasa baba. Hawakan niyo dito. Para kayo mag-balance. This one goes up. And then 1. Hindi kailangan mataas na ako. And then 2 hanggang saan lang. Up and 3. Up and 4. Up and 5. How are you? Up and 6. So taas natin konti. I-pulse natin 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Point the toes. Same leg. 8, 7, 6, and 5. Feel the abs. And 2 and hold. Both legs together. Side in. 8, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fuse together, toes apart. 8 and 7, 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold. Lower the legs. How was that? Okay, dito tayo. So, hawakan yung edge ng ano, yung makapal naman, yung pinatong natin. So, mapipin nyo siya naka-elevate ko. Yung silver mat. So, take up it up. So, why don't you put your hands here? Isa rin sa kamay, sa kamay. Isa kamay, yung kanan, yes. So, angat kayo ngayon. Angat. Angat yung hips. Arms up this way, hindi dito, kasi mag-rotation tayo, okay? Pag feeling mo ang bigat, nandun lahat yung weight, i-push nyo pa yung balak ng pataas. Okay, parang yung body weight, okay tayo sa windmill. Okay, turn in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and go 1. Circle 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and go 2. Circle 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang siya balakang ha. Up and go 3. Para bumigat sa kamay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and lift 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and go 5. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and hold here. So ito gagawin nyo ha. 8 and 7. Panilig kamay. And 4 and 3 and 2 and hold. Lower the body now. How was it? Hindi na nagsalita. Speechless. Okay, kakilala tayo. How are you? Silip niya. Okay, right here. Uy, huwag yung isipin yung Pilates mahirap. Kasi if you're doing this for like once or twice a week, medyo dapat at least mga twice or thrice a week more maximum. Okay? Or actually minimum nga yung everyday ginagawa to. Okay, put in this way. This one. Yan. Ito. Point your toes. Pugit yung sila, nakaganon siya. Pugit siya nakaharap. Okay, let's do it. Lift the legs up. And then slowly back. 1. Lift. Slowly back down for 2. Up and lift. Slowly back down for 3. Lift. Back down for 4. I want you to lengthen. Exhale for 5. Last time up. And then slowly down here. So I want you to lift this leg up. So 8 and 7 and 6 and 5. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Flex it. Turn it up. This way. 8 and 7 and 6 and 5. 4 and 3 and 2 and hold. Point the toes over now. 8, 7, 6 and 5. 4 and 3, 2 and hold. Now the leg goes forward. Inhale. Flex. And then point backward. And then forward again. Back for 2. Ilaw yung head nyo nakarelax lang dun ha. Back for 3. Lengthen the legs. Hinihila yung legs. Parang tinatalag yung legs. Yung foot nyo pa pala yun. Forward again. And then 5 this time. I want you to do the rotation. Forward. And then circle up. 6. And 5. And 4. And 3. And 2. Let's do the reverse now. Go. 6 and 5, circle 4, circle 3, circle 2, circle 1, hold it here. Now arms away, elbows to knees, extend out for 1, squeeze in, extend out for 2, very good, squeeze it in, out for 3, squeeze, steady flex, spalayo point. Then flex, out for 5, point, and then flex, and then point for 6. Now this leg goes downward, this leg goes upwards. So open na siya, para hindi siya nakaharang, okay? So what you need to do is to lift this leg up, and then 1. Up, down to inner tayo na. Up, and 3. Up, and 4. Up, and 5. Up, and 6. Hold it here. 8 and 7 and 6 and 5, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 on the toes. 8, 7 and 6 and 5. How are you? And 2 and 1. Both legs together this time. Lengthen up. 8, 7, 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want you to flex your toes, heels together, toes apart. 8 and 7 and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower it down. How was it? Sakit sa balakang. Yes, pambalakang yan. Dito ulit ha, dito. Again guys, pag sumasakit yung balikat sa kayong hands ninyo, ipupush nyo yung ano yung balakang mataas. Kasi baka nakababa ko, nakakala, sige. Pero pag ito kasi nakaangat, dito na pupunta lahat yung tension. Okay? So arms up this way. So I want you to rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and go 1. Circle 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and go 2. Circle 1, 2, 3, 4. As far as you get to the back. And 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and go 4. 2 more times. Up and go 5. Last time 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and stay here. So 8 and 7 and 6, 5 and 4. 3, pushing your hips 2 and 1. Lower down. How are you? Yes. Next. Malapit na tayo. Okay, we're near. Actually, hindi ginagawa mo twisting. So we'll be twisting. Okay. So I want you to sit tall like this. Arms up. Sitting tall. Yan. So I want you to touch your toes all the time. Kasi kung nagpo-point yan, pupunin natin kayo. Automatic yun. Sure yun. Up and left. Inhale. Lengthen the spine. And exhale to the mouth. So I want you to lengthen more. Tumataas yung spine mo. Look straight up. Don't look up. Pagka-stiff na kayo. Just exhale again. Lengthen up. Just exhale. I want you to lift more on the inhale. And then slowly exhale. Bring the hands down to the side. As you inhale, I want you to turn to your right. As you exhale, I want you to drop your shoulders and head towards the side of the foot. Right side, 3 and 2 and 1. Balik sa gitna. Now to your left, ibabrush mo siya. 3, pulses 2, lower down, and then up. So parang pababa ng pababa. To your right again, 3 and 2 and 1. Up to your center. Now to your left. 3 and 2. Head down 1. Balik sa gitna. Again to your right and 3. Yung masarap 2 and 1. Center. To your left. 3, 2, and 1. Last time to your right side. And 3 and 2 and 1. Last time to your left. And 3 and 2 and 1. Balik sa gitna. Sitting tall. I want you to twist to your right. 3, 2, 1, gitna. Left, 2, 3, center. Go right, 2, 3, center. Go left. Twisting. Sit tall, sit tall. 3, 2, okay, lean forward. Yes. Kasi mawawala yung twisting niya pag lean forward kayo. 1 more to the right, then 3, 2, 1. Last time to the left. 3, 2, 1. Center. Now I want you to lift your hands up. Inhale. Sitting tall. As you exhale, I want you to move forward down. So head down na. Head down. Now I want you to inhale. Move your fingers towards the stage. Papunta sa harap yung inhale. Yes. Keep the head down. Mag-aangat ka kasi magkakastik na kayo. Keep your feet flexed. Just exhale to the mouth. Again, inhale. Ibaba pa yung balikat. Extend nyo pa yung kamay nyo sa harap. And then just exhale to your mouth. Again, inhale, move forward. Just exhale to your mouth. One more inhale forward. And then just exhale to the mouth. Last time, inhale forward. And then exhale, move your spine up 1 vertebrae at a time. Uling-uling head na tataas sa spine tayo to articulate. Up, and lift. Sitting tall, sit there up and pressure. And sitting tall, bring your arms up. And then exhale down all the way to the floor as far as you can. Perfect. Stay there, drop the head. I want you to inhale, move your fingers forward on the inhale. And then exhale, you hold there, even though into your mouth. Again, move forward, keep the abdominals rounded. And then exhale down lower. One more inhale. And then exhale, move your spine back. One vertebra at a time. Slow, 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 slow. Sitting up like this. I want you to lengthen more. Now, I want you to lift your arms. Left arm higher. And then the left arm goes sideways. So tingin kayo sa taas. Itaas pa yung arms. And then hinge down toward your right side. Look up, ha? Yes. I-lower pa yan. And then slowly switch. Put your right arm to the side, left arm to the side. I-lift yung right arm. Dito mo na daw mo yung bumaba. Lift higher. And then exhale down to the side. There we go. Look up on hindi sa taas. And then lower down, inhale. And then exhale, we switch. Hold in the right arm. And then lift up. Left arm higher. Lift up. And then slowly melt down on the right side. Slowly look up, please, look up. Very good. I want you to go deeper. You'll inhale. And then exhale. We switch again. Change the arms. Your right arm goes up and higher. And then lift again. Lengthen the spine. And then exhale down to your left side. Again, inhale. Go deeper. Deeper pa. How was it? I know you can do it. Back to the center now again. Both hands up. Both hands up. I want you to lengthen the spine. Keep your feet flexed. Stay there. Lengthen more. On the inhale, just blow to your mouth. On the exhale. One more. Sit taller. On the inhale, go look up, look straight down, and then exhale. Lengthen the spine. Inhale. And then exhale, bring your hands down to the side, and bring your legs together. Alright, from here, lengthening pa rin tayo, papatangkad. After lift, inhale. Just exhale to your mouth. Again, inhale, lengthen more. I want you to go taller. Taller, ha? And then exhale to your mouth, sitting taller. Again, inhale, lengthen more. Taller kayo, ha? Just exhale to the mouth. And then inhale, go down to your feet. Go down to your feet. Diyan lang kayo. Now, ang gagawin ninyo, kung nahawakan niyo yung paa nyo, ang gusto kong mangyari, I want you to put your fingers on the back of the feet. Dito nilalagay. Abot ha, abot. Okay? Kung hindi, okay lang yan. Okay. So, ang gagawin mo nakaabot, i-lower pa yung palikad. Get down. Ang gagawin nyo, i-push nyo pa yung paa nyo palayo. So, nagsistraight ka ng legs. Okay, that's the exhale. Again, lower the shoulders. As you exhale, i-diretso pa yung legs. I-flex yung toes nyo. Flex your toes. Very good. Again, lower the shoulders. Nagilahan yung pakto sa kayong legs. So, gawin yung feeling. And then, exhale to your mouth. Again, inhale deeper. And then, exhale to your mouth. Last time, inhale. And then exhale, boot the spine back. Spine na spine. Huli-huli yung ulong tataas sa kayong kamay. Slow, 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 and lift. Sitting tall. Bring the hands down. Inhale. And then exhale up. Again, lower the hands down. Inhale. And then exhale up. Give me two more. Go down. Exhale up. And then last time, you go down, back to the center, and bring it in. Good morning, guys, and good work. Gagawin niyo ngayon, ayun siya. Mag-picture tayo. Ilagay niyo yung buhit. Sige, tayo kayo, kasi hindi makikita. Wala kayo na kayo lumapit konti. Okay. So, group picture tayo. Okay. Hindi ko kayo makita dyan sa likod. Yan, taas pa. Good, okay. Ito, isi-shake yung kamay ko. Uy, ba't kumagalaw ng cellphone ka? Ano ba ito? Ganun ba yung ko? Okay, get ready. 4, 3. Here we go, straight down. One. Yes. Okay, one more. Yun. Up. One more time. Ganyan yung yung pang-vogue na yung pang-tatler na pose. Okay, so, yung pang-tatler ha. 1, yung parang buhay na pamilya. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Yung ano na lang, yung blue, i-hold na natin na yan sa likod. And then the silver, will bring it out. So, kumusta yung feeling nyo? Agad. How was the feeling? Yung mga may palang yung mga may kabalik na loob. How was it? Na-feel nyo ba yung stretch?
Sobra.
Kasama yung ano, yung pain ng muscle. Yan. Ito kakatag ka ba? Hindi kasi ano to eh. Release talaga to ng mga ano eh, mga pain and everything. Okay, so let's put this out sa labas. So hindi tabi na parang treadmill. Good. So ang next class is that,